Hey, what up, people of the world? Marcolet 1109 here with another video, and about the Animal Planet. Sorry, it didn't continue, and thank you for supporting me. But now I'm gonna have a tour review of Donatello and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is him. There you go. See? Look up! Hey, what's up there? Okay. Now, look at those pretty muscles. Yeah. I find the muscles pretty cool. There you go. Hi-ya! Look at the feet. And the legs, see, it can be turned like this, like that, like this, like that, like this, then also like that, like this, like that, like this. See there, that's the box. I bought it last May 12th, and he has how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weapons. And his primary weapon, his Naginata bow staff. This. I am Sensei Donatello. Yeah. Second one is the bow staff. Another bow staff, but this one comes with a blade. Sheesh. Come on. Go. Get in. I got it. There. I am the master of Naginata bows. I am Master Donatello. And his nunchuck. I don't know why he has a nunchuck. I know it's for Michelangelo. Main weapon, a nunchuck, and the Kurashigama, whatever it's called. And I usually put it at the back. The back has some, whatever you call it. But you can put his weapons. See? And from this, it looks like a gun. He also has 2 razor. See? I don't know if it acts like boomerangs because I've only watched a few episodes, and I'm aiming to get Dog Pound next. Oh wait, he's not here. Yeah, but the next turtle, it will be Leonardo. Look. Wait. See? There it is. This one's Krang, Shredder, and I got this guy. He's the only one I got. He's the only one I got so far. Right. And this. Now, time to put on. Wait a minute. What about putting his 2 razor blades in, and this thing might get us in here. And yeah, I rate it about maybe 9.5 out of 10. The 0.5 is this, his size. That's pretty freaky. Oh, and plus he's the only one in the group who didn't smile. Look at the others. Leonardo smiles, Raphael smiles, Michelangelo smiles. And yeah, that ends it for tonight. See you soon. Hope I make any more videos. And when I have my Leonardo or anyone else, I'll make it. Oh yeah!